Welcome in Education Success. Today we will discuss MCQs on requirements modeling. Question first. Grady Booch, James Rambach, and Ivar Jacobson combine the best features of their individual object-oriented analysis into a new method for object-oriented design known as. Options are A. HTML, B. XML, C. UML, D. HTML. Correct answer is UML. UML was created and developed by Grady Booch, James Rambach, and Ivar Jacobson in 1997. It was adopted as a standard by the Object Management Group, which is a standard language for specifying, visualizing, constructing, and documenting the artifacts of software system. Options are A. OOA, B. OOD, C. UML, D. All of these. Correct answer is UML, that is Unified Modeling Language. It is a standard language for specifying, visualizing, constructing, and documenting the artifacts of software systems. Which modeling in software engineering is essentially the planning stage of a software application or system. Options are A. Requirements, B. Design, C. Analysis, D. All of these. Correct answer is requirements. A model is a hash of reality. Correct options are A. Blueprint, B. Detail, C. Software, D. Description. Correct answer is here blueprint. A model is a blueprint of reality, which is a simplification of reality which provides the blueprint of a system. Options are A. Class, B. Model, C. Object, D. All of these. Correct answer is model, which provides the blueprints of a system. A combination of which models is the system requirements clearly. Options are A. Diagrams and characters, B. Text and characters, C. Text and diagrams, D. Diagrams, text and characters. Correct answer is diagrams and characters. This combination is the models the system requirements clearly. The acronym UML stands for. Options are A. Unified Modeling Language, B. Unified Markup Language, C. Unary Modeling Language, D. Unit Markup Language. Correct answer is A. Unified Modeling Language. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. UML supports for an dash development of a software system. Options are A. Sequential, B. Iterative, C. Looped, D. Modular. Correct answer is here iterative. UML supports for an iterative development of an software system. Dash is one of the concept areas of UML. Options are A. Behavioral, B. Class model, C. Deployment model, D. Flowchart. Correct answer is behavioral. Behavioral is one of the concept areas of UML. Which models are models of the dynamic behavior of system as it is executing? Options are A. Behavioral, B. Structural, C. Architectural, D. All of these. Correct answer is here behavioral. These models of the dynamic behavior of system as it is executing. Which model represents the implementation view of the system? Options are A. Class model, B. Sequence model, C. Component model, D. Use case model. Correct answer is here component model. It represents the implementation view of the system. Which model represents the structural view? Options are A. Use case model, B. Activity model, C. Deployment model, D. Package model. Correct answer is here use case model. It represents the structural view. Which represents the behavioral view? Options are A. Collaboration model, B. Class model, C. Package model, D. Use case model. Correct answer is here a collaboration model. A collaboration model represents the behavioral view. Which are model elements that represents the physical entities in a software system? Options are A. Artifacts, B. Class, C. Object, D. All of these. Correct answer is here artifacts. This is the element that represent the physical entities in a software system. Structural models of software display the organization of a system in terms of dash that make up that system and their relationship. Options are A. Association, B. Components, C. Artifacts, D. All of these. Correct answer is here component. Stereotype are one of the dash mechanism provided by UML. Options are A. Extensibility, B. Structural, C. Model, D. View. Correct answer is extensibility. Stereotype is one of the extensibility mechanism provided by UML. An interaction implies dash exchange between the objects or roles. Options are A. Classes, B. Messages, C. Views, D. Sequences. Correct answer is here messages. An interaction implies messages in exchange between the objects or roles, which shows the interaction of things outside the system with the system itself. Options are A. Actor, B. Node, C. Use case, D. All of these. Correct answer is here actors. Correct answer is here use case. Which modeling represents the overall framework of a system? Options are A. Architectural, B. Structural, C. Behavioral, D. All of these. Correct answer is here architectural. It represents the overall framework of the system. Which diagram represents the class model? Options are A. Sequence, B. Use case, C. Class, D. All of these. Correct answer is here class. The class diagram represents the class model. Which of the following UML diagram is a static diagram? Options are A. Collaboration diagram, B. Class diagram, C. State chart diagram, D. Activity diagram. Correct answer is here class diagram. It is a static diagram. Which diagram in UML shows a complete or partial view of the structure of a modeled system at a specific time? Options are A. Sequence diagram, B. Collaboration diagram, C. Class diagram, D. Object diagram. Correct answer is here object diagram. It shows a complete or partial view of the structure of a model system at a specific time. Which of the following diagram is time oriented? Options are A. Collaboration, B. Sequence, C. Activity, D. None of the mentioned. Correct answer is here sequence. Sequence diagram is the time oriented. Which model in system modeling depicts the dynamic behavior of the system? Options are A. Context model, B. Behavioral model, C. Data model, D. Object model. Correct answer is here behavioral model. It depicts the dynamic behavior of the system. Which are diagrams of UML represent interaction modeling? Options are A. Use case sequence, B. Class object, C. Activity start chart, D. All of the mentioned. Correct answer is A. Use case and sequence. These diagrams of UML represents interaction modeling. To get new videos of the software engineering, kindly subscribe the channel. For your any suggestion, write in your comment box. Don't forget to like the channel. To solve the MCQ test on this content, see the description box. The UML was designed for describing options are A. Object-oriented systems, B. Architectural design, C. SRS, D. Both object-oriented system and architectural design. Correct answer is here both object-oriented system and architectural design. Thank you.